Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we're going to do another bottle bottom pour on a spinner. So I just want to show you the last one that I did dried. Now if you did not see the video on this, I will post the link in the description. This is not sealed yet, so once it is sealed, the colors will pop even more. But look at those gorgeous, gorgeous lines. Looks like leaf skeletons, someone said. All right, so I've decided I want to do a series of these because it's so pretty. So this one's warm colors. In this video today, I'm going to be using various blues and greens, so cool colors. Another exciting thing is an awesome person sent me a new spinner. Thank you, Rebecca. You're so awesome. So it's from Amazon and it spins so much better than my other one. Now, mind you, my other one was also extremely old and covered in paint. So I was smart this time and I covered it in plastic wrap so that it wouldn't be ruined. If I need to use a larger size canvas, I'm going to have to add some sticks. But for the 12 by 12, it should just barely work. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and attach it with this double-sided sticky tape. I like to use the foam kind. And then just put a couple pieces on the sides here. I'm going to do that real quick. Okay, I think that should be good. I think even for a 12 by 12 next time I'll attach some sticks, but we're going to go ahead and just go with this for now. So I'm using my bottle bottoms. I sell these in my store on my website, mixedmediagirl.com. And I'm going to go ahead and fill up. This is a Lowly Vefe bowl. I get them from Lowly Vefe. If you look down in the description, there'll be a link for that too, plus a discount. Let's start with white. And I'm going to fill up this whole bowl for this. These are all Mixed Media Girl paints. I've got meadow green. I'm even going to throw a little glow in the dark paint in here, because why not? I don't actually sell this one. It's left over from a class. But as always, if you're interested in a specific color or something, feel free to message me. That's Everglade green. This is Pacific blue. And we've got some turquoise. I only have a little bit left, unfortunately. And I have some primary blue, which is a bit of a lighter blue. I'll go in there and add a little more white. I like to layer with the white a lot. This one's electric lime. It's like a neon green. And a little bit of teal. Just using pretty much all my blues and greens in here, which I have a lot because I love blues. This is a little bit of deep sea, which is like a navy blue. Great color for contrast instead of black. Throw a little more white in there. And I'm just going to layer these a little bit more. All right, so that should be plenty. Now I'm going to go ahead and clear out my station real quick so I have plenty of room to spin in, and then we'll do the pour. All right, we're ready. Now, just so you guys know that my station is in a big plastic bin. So keep in mind, basically the paint, when you spin it, it's just going to go out. It's not really going to go up. So you need something that probably just goes just above your spinner, or you can just get creative and just put some pieces of cardboard on the sides. This is a plastic bin, but normally I actually use a big cardboard box that I modified so that it would fit my spinner. But for now, this is just easiest. And underneath here, I have a silicone mat. The silicone mat is non-slip, so it really helps the spinner itself not to slip around. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and pour on the bottle bottom. Whoopsies. Try to pour slowly. You want to maintain your pattern. My cup is really full. I think I actually overfilled it. Got a little too excited with these colors. But I do have these bottle bottoms. They come in a set of 3 for different canvas sizes. This is the medium one. It's 3 inches. I found it works quite well for a 12-inch canvas size. But there's one bigger and one smaller. Okay, gorgeous. Now I would like to point out over here I accidentally poured over the peak because I poured too fast. Not a big deal, but it does put this kind of line of color in here, whereas here the sides just come together. So try to avoid doing that. Nobody's perfect. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lift this off, and then I'm gonna let the hole fill up as much as possible. Last time I didn't let it fully fill up, which I kind of regret. So this time I'm gonna let it fully fill up. You can then go ahead and just rinse this off, or I like to just set it up on a cup and let it dry and then just reuse it. You don't need to actually wash any of these. Perfect. Okay. So I have more paint on here than the last time, so it filled up faster. Now I'm going to take a stick and I'm going to go ahead and wreck each one of these kind of petal forms, which is just going to give us that kind of leaf look. And you can wreck it just each one time. You can wreck them more than one time. Totally up to you. I like it like this. And now we spin, the fun part. You don't need to go crazy. So you can probably tell I have more paint on this side. So that's another thing. Try to pour your bottle bottom evenly. Woohoo! I do have parchment paper under here, so I will be able to use this runoff if I want to. Now I'm just gonna help it over here because it's got less paint. So I'm gonna take just some from my bowl left over in here and just add some here. The paint likes to flow where there's already paint, so this will just kind of help it. You can either add more paint like I'm doing here, or if you want, you can even just kind of tap out the sides. You just kind of want to break that barrier between the dry canvas and the wet paint so it's easier for it to flow. And this part's all going to be going off the side anyway, so don't really worry about it too much. Okay, I am quite happy with that, and I am so in love with this color combination. Basically all of my blues and greens. I think I will do this one another time and just pour it a little bit more evenly. Also my first time using the spinner, so you know, give me a little break on that. I don't think I centered the canvas on the spinner either, so I am going to go ahead and add those sticks for the next time, but this is still drop dead gorgeous. So let's go ahead and do a close-up. All right, starting the lower right hand corner here. Adding in that lime green really gave it this crazy colorful pop. And I like that I used like 5 different blues in there too. So I think what, like three greens and like 5 blues or something, plus the white, which gives you different shades as well. So just totally gorgeous. This spinner definitely moved it a little bit differently than my other spinner. Totally fine though. Looks awesome. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much, Rebecca, for this spinner. It is awesome, and I'm going to have so much fun using it. And everyone, just make sure you check out the bottle bottoms in my store, the paint in my store, and have fun. I'll see y'all next time.